It's a familiar feeling. You're trying to fix something around the house, but it's not going your way. You've got tools and supplies, but it's still a daunting task. Introducing the Handyman membership program, making home maintenance easy and stress-free for homeowners. With 3 tiers of membership: Basic, Premium, and Elite. You'll get access to all the services you need to keep your home in top shape. From painting and plumbing to carpentry and electrical work, our experienced handyman can do it all. Plus, members enjoy exclusive benefits like priority scheduling, rollover hours, and dedicated customer support. Sign up now for a 50% discount on the first month of membership. Booking services is quick and easy through our website. Unused hours roll over to the next month, and members get a discount on additional service hours. Our dedicated customer support team is always available to help. They'll answer your questions and make sure you get the most out of your membership. Take advantage of this exclusive offer and join the Handyman membership program today. Enjoy a convenient, reliable, and stress-free home maintenance experience with a 50% discount on the first month of membership. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer.
Power Up Services, putting the power back in your hands.
Join now at powerupdenver.com and enjoy a 50% discount on your first month of membership.